This is Legend Nova, all about the motherfucking kicks. Put a like on the motherfucking button.
What is he in the mouse? What the fuck?
To one shot.
The inbounds pass comes into Jordan. Here's Michael at the foul line. A shot on Elo. Good! The Bulls win it! They win it!
What's going on? This is Legend of All About the Kicks. Subscribe to that channel. Put a like on that button. Share this with your friends and family. Share this video if you want to. Salute to me. I appreciate it if you share the video. Put a like on it. Leave a comment. That will help the video, get up a little bit. But these Jordan 2s right here, these is the lows. To me, this is a fire shoe. I wore this shoe 2 days ago. I supposed to bench shot this video 2 days ago, but I've been so busy. I wore these for the last 2 days, man. These shoes are fire. They're comfortable. I got these in 11.5 because 11, it fits tight on my feet. You know what I'm saying? I got a few Jordan 2s, 11s, and they fit real tight, so that's why I don't really wear them. But these are fire. I feel like the Jordan 2 lows is taking over. Jordan 2 highs, they all right. I got the Lucky Greens was fire. The ones that came out in December of last year was fire. And they came up with the cool gray ones. I didn't cop those. I think they might still have those on the Nike website, but I could be wrong. I don't know if they got my size, but if they do, I'm going to try to get those. I know they had like a 20% off. They was on sale for like $144 or something like that. I might try to get those next. But you got your Air Jordan box. You got your little old school Jumpman. You know what I'm saying? The jumbo. This Air Jordan symbol, I think is so dope, yo. So dope. I love how they do the box, how the box open up. That's fire. And these shoes is dope. You know what I'm saying? I already wore them already. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to give y'all this video. And I know a lot of y'all didn't really cop this shoe. I don't know if this shoe sold out on the Nike website or not, but I'm glad I waited. You know what I'm saying? I got these for $92. And I think altogether I paid the fees and all that. I think I paid like $115 or something like that. And this shoe just fire, man. Like, it's fire shoe, dope. You know what I'm saying? I had to put the trigger on that, man, because like for that price, you can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? This shoe go for $150. So to only pay, what I paid, I saved like $35 on these shoes, man. But the shoe is dope. The orange is nice and got like a lime orange on the back. The orange in the back is kind of different than the orange inside the shoe. And the Jumpman, the Air Jordan joint right here, the old symbol is right here, and that orange pop, it pop. You know what I'm saying? It pop. But yeah, man, this shoe is dope. Let's get close and personal, man. You know how we do. Let's go. Now, these Jordan 2s, I feel like Jordan 2 lows is better than the highs to me. This is my third pair this year. I got the Lucky Greens and the ones that came out after Christmas, the regular Jordan 2s. The black and red ones. But these, if you really look at them, man, these are fire. I don't know what you think about these, but the shoe is dope. I've been wearing this shoe for the last 2 days, man. Dope outfit I had on with them. You can check my Instagram out. I posted these up there on my shoe. These shoes is fire, man. They fire, yo. Nice quality. Like I said, I already wore them already. You know what I mean? I was gonna shoot the video the same day I got them, because I got them like 2-3 days ago. But I got these off StockX, man, for $92, man. Volume is low on these, man. I'm glad I waited, because a few stores still have these. I don't know if they have my size, but they still have these for $140 or $150. I think it was $140. Yeah, they $150. But like I said, I paid $91 plus tax. I think I paid like $115 for these, man. And you can't beat that, man. I saved like $35. You know what I'm saying? So these is fire, man. We're gonna put them on feet so y'all can see how they look. Let's get to the unfeet. see these Jordan 2s, man, let me know if you got these shoes, man. Like I said, they going under retail, man, and it's a dope summer. I know summer's almost over, but you still have like a month and a half before, you know, fall come. And these shoes is fire, man. I'm glad I got these. Got them for the low. And these is a dope quality shoe. I like them. Get the shoelace on these joints. It's a fire shoe, man. It's a fire shoe. You don't have it in your collection, man, get these, man. These is fire. Dope shoe, man. And I like Jordan 2s, man. And you know, this year they've been coming out with a lot of Jordan 2s, so salute to Jordan brand. They're giving us different shoes and different things. They still need to give us different colors. I think we need some Jordan 21s, we need some Jordan 15s, 16s, 17s. But these is fire, man. Let me know what y'all think. I did the on foot. Leave a comment. We out of here. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like on the button. Peace.